Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So as y'all can see, my vanity looks a mess, so I'm gonna be cleaning it in today's video. The drawers, I gotta take all this makeup out and organize it with them little bins. See here. All right guys, so I'm talking low because my daughter's sleeping. She's probably gonna wake up, but I was supposed to film this video yesterday, but I was gonna film a separate video doing my makeup first and then doing like fixing my makeup inside of the low bins. But obviously it's not gonna work like that, you feel me? I have a kid, so plans never go as you plan them. So yeah, but yeah, so boom, I'm pissed off because Temu, yeah, don't order from Temu. If you're trying to order something big, like regular size or big, don't order it from Temu because Temu stuff comes small. Like they run small for some reason, I don't know. But I had ordered these organizing containers, the clear ones. This is some bracelets that I had to get, but I wanted this size. Yes, yeah, right? Look what came instead. Also, don't mind how I look. This is cleaning day, okay? What is this? Tell me. Tell me. It's not adding up. So, I'm gonna just use these. Of course, I'm gonna use both, but that pissed me off. So, you know I had to get my money back. Like, come on now. Like, y'all. Looks can be deceiving, okay? And that's exactly what it is on freaking Temu. So I'm gonna take all my makeup out, and then just organize it like that. Alright, so these are the original ones that I wanted, the long ones. Then they wanna come bring this bullshit. So then I have a big one as well. I don't have too much makeup, so that's good. Cause these drawers, I only have 2 drawers and they're small, so a lot of makeup wouldn't fit anyways. So I'm gonna put like all my big makeup inside of the big one, and then like my brushes in a certain one, stuff like that. I do have to clean my makeup brushes though, and my sponges and all that. I do have new sponges actually, so I might throw these out. And then my mother got me these. I don't really use these, but I mean I can for like powder, for the setting powder. But then I have these little ones. So we're just gonna see what fits where. My daughter's sleeping and look at this one. All my brushes go in one, so I'm gonna put it in one of these. I need a new set of brushes. I actually want to get some on TikTok shop. I've seen a couple that I like. So this is gonna be garbage. I have a lot of those. My setting spray can go probably in one of those, because I think I have like 2. So 2 in here. So my lip gloss, lipstick, and lip liner is gonna go in one. So lipstick, lip gloss, lip liner, and eyeliner. They go hand in hand. Honestly, I use eyeliner for my lips too, so yeah. These 2 here. One of the medium ones. Yeah, this from Temu. And I have another foundation, Elf. It's like I don't know my shade no more. My shade in Naked, the brand Naked, is a 30G or something like that. That's the only shade I can remember when it comes to that type of foundation. But these other ones, I don't know. I be trying to get it and it's not giving. I should put all the skinny brushes in another one. I'm making mad noise. This one don't fit, so I'm gonna have to put it with the big ones. palettes is gonna go in the bigger one. What's this? I don't really need this. Now my other bag. This bag is actually cute though, but I could always use this for like when I'm traveling. Yeah, I like my nails. I did Coraline thing. I don't like this one. When I'm doing it on short nails, it doesn't really give, you know. This is a face oil, the peel. That can wait for a little bit. Garbage. This thing was $10 at Walgreens. Smashbox. Matter of fact, I could put that in that there. Should I put it in there? So all my little things like this is gonna go in a square box. I mean, in a square. Sister's on her way, so I have to keep a lookout. Sister's staring at me. Hey, baby. Alright guys, so I had to take my makeup palettes out because obviously I told y'all my drawers are small, so it wasn't going to fit with all of these things. And I even had to take out my setting sprays and put it with the lip liners and the lip gloss because it's not fitting. And then like if there's a gap there to put it, these things are too wide now to even fit. So I only was able to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 little containers. And then this little girl right here want to play with it. Baby, let me tell you something. You wear that when you 30 years old, right? You beautiful, baby. You beautiful. You beautiful. She just woke up. Tell them you just woke up. You want your makeup done? You want your own makeup done? Isn't that funny? Isn't that funny? Alright, so this is what I had to do for now. I don't have room for anything else. Literally. And this, I don't even like how it looks because no. But the big one is back there. Like this. So that's pretty much it. And I forgot I even have more makeup right here, so I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with this. Alright y'all, so I hope you enjoyed this quick video of me fixing my little vanity and organizing it. Yeah, I'm not happy. I'm gonna say I'm not happy because, like, what the hell is this? Maybe I should get more of the bigger ones, that way I could fit more. I don't know. Maybe I also should have just put all the brushes together. Whatever. I'll see you guys in the next video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. In the next video, I'm gonna be doing my makeup, and I have a quick story time. I have 2 quick story times, cause they like short, so I'm gonna just add both of them together. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. And when this video is done, go get yourself some iced coffee.